Union Minister Zawal Oram asked people to write the centre and Prime Minister if ministers and officials indulge in wrongdoing. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar says all teaching systems should be restored in government schools in Manipur. 3-day awareness workshop on e-waste management stresses need for proper electronic waste management system. And Neroka FC meet Delhi United FC in final round match of 2nd Division Indian League tomorrow. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangchum bringing you the top stories. Union Minister for Tribal Affairs Zawal Oram has asked people of Manipur to write to the website of the Government of India and Prime Minister if ministers and officials indulge in wrongdoings. He said action will be taken against them if they are found guilty. Zawal Oram, who is on a 2-day visit to Manipur, attended the 37th Foundation Day celebration of BJP and Empowerment, Poverty Elevation and Welfare Program in Technopol district today. The Union Minister said the BJP, which won 21 seats, has been able to form a coalition government in Manipur. He reminded the people that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been working for the welfare of the people in the last 3 years. He said the BJP government has provided power to 12,000 villages in the country and the Tribal Affairs Ministry has been providing funds for the development of tribal people in Manipur. The event was organized by BJP Scheduled Tribe Morcha in Technopol district headquarters.
मोदी जी का नारा है मैं ना खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा और अगर कहीं गलती हो रहा है कोई भी गलती कर रहा है चीफ मिनिस्टर हो एमपी हो पार्टी का फंक्शनरी हो तो उसको बात करिए और उसको ठीक करने के लिए कोशिश कीजिए। भारत सरकार का वेरियस वेबसाइट है, मेरा मंत्रालय का tribal.nic है, बाकी भारत सरकार का मंत्रालय का वेबसाइट है, पीएमओ है, आपका ये सब में निरंतर देखिए।
National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited has replaced Border Road Organization and started construction work on National Highway 37 Imphal-Ziribam Road. The road has been in a deplorable condition, causing grievous inconveniences to the public. Around 2 or 3 months back, Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari assured the people of repairing the highway. Chief Minister N. Biren also assured that the road will be made all-season road. After the completion of bidding on road on March 31st, the construction work started from the first week of this month. Imphal to Awankul section is under HVS construction. Awankul to Barak Road is undertaken by Needy Creative Infrastructure Private Limited and Barak to Ziribam Road is by Bharatiya Infrastructure Private Limited. The Chief Minister will visit the road and Barak Bridge on May 22nd. IFCD and YAS Minister Letpao Haukip today visited Singda Multi-Purpose Project, Dolaithabi Barak Project and National Sports University to see the progress of the work at the projects. Minister Letpao Haukip expressed his unhappiness at the non-construction of railing along the roads at Singda Multi-Purpose Project and poor condition of the footpath. The minister instructed the engineers to keep the site neat and clean to draw tourists, to construct railing and maintain the steps and footpath properly. He also visited the site for National Sports University in Kautuk, Senjam Chirang and Harau Thelkhul. The minister said the university required 325.90 acres, but the government had required nearly 400 acres for the university. He said the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will soon lay the foundation of the university.
National Sports University linkhatnaba katpirakpa sida अखोई सरकार की माइकैदगी सु हराउबा फोंदोक्चरी लमदम सिगी मणिपुर प्रजा मयामना अखोइबु कोऑपरेशन सपोर्ट तौबिगनी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया मोदी जी एनी टाइम अखोई की hojik parliament session chathabasi hek loibaga anytime ma lakani aduga as soon as mui lakpaga foundation stone si hek lead tobaga aduda only then technical know how labor engineer singkatanani masigi building sina 18 months sangani 14 ma gi tongan balegani aduda overall calculate to kanda matam do sida loini do fix togani hojikti it's too early to comment on that.
During the visit, the minister also saw the Dolai Thabi barrack project. He said the construction of the barrack began in 1996, but frequent burns and blockades have delayed the project. Minister Letpao Haokip also said 96% of the project has been completed and it may complete in the next 2 or 3 months. He appealed to the contractors to work sincerely. Parliamentary Secretaries L. Rameshwar, K. Robintro, H. Dingo and YAS Commissioner H. Dilip accompanied the minister in his visit.
Dam ki CD treasure se economic blockade na maram oirakanda hojik phaw yorotri hek yobaga se tha amani manung da loini aduga tunnel si di nongmada thabak si leptana subi bataraga di 2.723 meter progress adumle aduna hotopakanda 75 days means 2.5 months kumba manung sida tunnel si su loirani aiba sa thami Tikada contractor singsu maming the thok leba kangbu do thabak tu phajana subina ba ay appeal tawri aduga kaigumba nga moi haiba taraga su sengna department ka tanar kan da kai do sige do tanarani leba kini eigini akoi mayam gini khanba kanda thabak si tawradi khara phagani heta paisa tanba moina khanba wakhalon sidi thado ani.
IFCD Minister Letpao Haokip saw the encroachment on the bank of the Imphal River from Sanjenthong to Hatta Golapati. In his visit, the minister witnessed construction of community hall encroaching the road from Sanjenthong to Hatta Golapati and a former minister encroaching on the road. He expressed surprise at the setting up of the permanent police picket and construction of toilet along the road in Sanjenthong. The minister said the encroachments will be removed after consultation with the revenue minister.
The Sarkar na CME ba in mayam si thugai rakanda aheba asing batanaraga lam khopchan ba lambi maya si thingjalaga yum saraga toilet ni ai da uri si masi lebak mayam na yabi bram ta yengbiu asumba unauthorized kanano asumba pata piri ba mi oise masidi moina so lan na lodaba phai masi encroacher singsi lothok pana phagani chumgani ai revenue minister ga so tanani aduga kari tawba ge mayam gi disturb tawba pot sing asi lothok pagi mutni ai gi mapa gi sorok tu de su sar hai banga midra makong wangna pira kanda sorok ta yum sana ba hongna ra gadi masidi aphabu oi roi hapta da manung da sari ba community hall makong pira kanda saram mane haibu su takhaina ba process ai ko.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar today asserted that the old teaching system should be restored in government schools in Manipur. The Deputy Chief Minister today laid the foundation stone for Wangdei Primary School at Langol in Imphal West. He maintained that the teaching method used in government schools in the past was very productive as homeworks, classworks and weekly examinations were held on a regular basis. Emphasizing the role of school management and development committee, Joykumar said the teacher-pupil ratio in government schools also needs to be checked as teachers outnumber the students in some schools. Recalling his early days in a government school, the Deputy Chief Minister said in those days students from government schools outshone in most competitive examinations. He also expressed concern over the prevailing tuition culture and mushrooming of private schools. Manipuri Jagoi Marup today felicitated Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, who represents Uripok constituency at its premises at Lamboi Khong Nangkhong. A cultural show was presented by the Marup at the event. Three-day workshop On e-waste management today stressed the need for proper electronic waste management system to prevent health hazards in the state. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NELIT, organized the awareness workshop which kicked off today at the Computer Science Department, Manipur University. Executive Director of NELIT, Imphal, Tej Prameshwar said scientists have found out that electronic gadgets generate a toxic gas which can harm human beings, and it is necessary to maintain a proper electronic waste management system. He said harmful components are present in the batteries used in gadgets like toy gun, mobile phones, computer, laptop, etc., and they can affect the health of the people in the long run. He said the unused and non-functional electronics waste must be stored at a proper place. He also said there is a chance of spreading diseases through the animals if they happen to consume the non-functional batteries of mobile phones. Addressing the event, Head of Department of Computer Science, Manipur University, Tej Mani Sinam said the workshop was organized with the idea that timely precaution could prevent possible diseases which can be caused by electronic waste in the future. He said it is also very necessary for the government to introduce a policy to reprocess electronic junks using scientific method.
Trans-Asian Highway si More si na exit point, entry point orak panina. More ki through the Manipur da ngasi changal la iba shana potaki na acha potaki na makal kaya ki jan danger mayam se si koi department sing through the koi public sing se gyan tahan na hot na bane ba koi Minister of Electronics na nilikta koi na awareness program ama project koi na pirak pagi through the koi na university the academic environment ina makoi na policy matters ma frame to boda sagi mamang tana they will take a lead forward when tawni na kan madagi koi na university ngasi program sin mane.
An operation of a girl at RIMS was cancelled after she was already on the operation table when it was found out that 3 out of the 4 machines in the operation theatre were not working. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, a relative of the girl said the girl has a lump near the heart. She has been undergoing treatment at RIMS for a month and the operation was scheduled today. The girl was taken to the operation theatre. However, the doctor informed the patient party that the operation could not be performed as 3 machines out of 4 in the operation theatre were not working. He said when they approached the medical superintendent, the MS told them that they will send for a mechanic to repair the machine.
Operation tawdoje len bakan e thok tanaba machine mari lei hai ba mai mari lei basi ama khatang yai hai aduga ama khak ya je ama je atopa operation lam gi da season ani hai ba adu hoi noi ngasi gi operation je yei thok pa tare khot tare mathang Thursday da tawraji khola je na hai moina adumai ngamoi arrangement ngamoi do ita di preparation ka doi tawri no sini ado akhoi kano gi akhoi patient gi asoibo oidera natraga moi gi asoibo oidera RIMS ta leiba khulai hingi ya moina hana round kano hana yani understanding leina da moina ta atopa phauna da moina ta yani kholani haibai tawbe si kitang pien da bai tare kon.
Union Tribal Affairs Minister Zual Oram arrived in Imphal today on a 2-day visit to the state. During his stay, the Union Minister will assess the progress of development works taken up by the Tribal Development Department for the welfare of the tribal people. The minister will also meet Chief Minister N. Biren. Speaking to media persons at Imphal Airport, the Union Minister assured that he will provide all possible help to the BJP-led government in Manipur for the development of the state. The Union Minister, who arrived in Imphal this morning, visited the Ingnopal district headquarters and held discussion with the villagers regarding the development of the village.
अभी तो आया है, सरकार को थोड़ा संभालने दो, फिर बात करेंगे क्या नया योजना बनाएंगे, यहाँ का आवश्यक क्या होगा। चीफ मिनिस्टर को और बाकी मंत्रिमंडल को थोड़ा समझने दो, थोड़ा काम करने दो, उसके बाद आगे देखेंगे क्या क्या फोकस पॉइंट इसमें होगा। लेकिन मेजॉरिटी फोकस डेवलपमेंट ही होगा। आपका रोड, रास्ता, पानी, बिजली, स्कूल एंड एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ, ये सभी पॉइंट फोकस पॉइंट होगा।
A Authorities have started repair work on the road from Shri Shri Govindaji Temple to Mahabali Kabui village in Imphal East District after Impact News highlighted the deplorable condition of the road on the 10th of this month. The road next to Maharaj Chandrakirti Auditorium remains under water throughout the year. Impact News reported the grievances facing the people who made a fervent appeal to the department concerned to repair the road as soon as possible. A week after the news report, measures to repair the road were taken under the supervision of Yaishkul MLA Thokchom Satyabartha. Impact News met the residents today who appreciated the initiative of the MLA and Impact News for highlighting their problems. Secretary of BJP Yaishkul Mandal Chaudhry Mayum Alok Sharma, who was supervising the repair work, told Impact News that the road, which has remained ignored for the last 10 years, will be constructed under the supervision of the MLA. He said the present work was taken to provide immediate relief to the people for the time being.
Yamna ising saw na singtung dana laibado ngasidi semnak libase yam thagazari asi bot gi ipujit chu tai laisang gi lamben chu ne asaw asang sing mapalom mayang meitai kabui khai dana lak ba lamben ne asi phajana semna khut setna yamna harau na khutinjin na sembio hana isona thalak ba gumbane ase ngasi emere makai se impact tv da khoi gi damak hana sali ba miyam so ai angang sing da so harau na oke
taseng na hairabadu masigi jaga si ngasi dagina chahi 10 ki mamang da ising thumduna dum lairabani hanagi miyeng amta changam da aduga taseng sigi lambi si asukimti maru oi maramdi Hanuman Thakur ga Govindaji Temple ga sigi marakta chana ba lai khurumba bhakta mayam chat lambi ni loina na sangai festival si kumja kayarak sigi maham si pangthok khurum adu hairi matek si madi sungsem semamde aduga masigi jaga si da lairi si cultural complex laire Manipur ge achau thabak tharum khudimok sidai da pangthok pani anau MLA na su khoi hana tana jabada masi major work oina tawbud natragadi yararoi na khanabani adu handak impact tv da yarok da hoji khoi temporary major oina lambi ising da di thuman gi gumsi hana na khoi ji aham bagi tawbuni khoi work program da hapaga amuhana sigi film si tadana khoi semna chona mayangi phattaba lambi asoi angam si TV da puthok pirak tana mayam da khana ne na miyeng changai base impact tv bu yam kana hainingai leitana thaga chai mathang da su sumba akhoi gi kendra khangdi atopa kendra khangdi arai bu su thokpiu aduga akhoi gi lairiba luchingba singna khangagadi tawde adaba thabak sing di soina tarokani na khanjai.
The repairing work of Mahabali Kabui Khul Road has been started today. The peoples of in and around this area will get a bit relief with this new development. Impact News team will also continue its endeavor to serve the people of Manipur. With camera person Derek Lystrom, this is Ketamim Premsan for Impact News, Imphal.
Volunteers of Moirang Lamkai Youth Development Association caught 2 drug abusers from Koiru Leikai Maning Lokol under Moirang Police Station. The 2 persons are identified as Bivek Sharma, son of Chambal Sharma from Ningthokong Bazar Ward number 2 and Khwairakpam Bablu, son of Khwairakpam Bir Chandra from Ningthokong Ward number 7. 2 used syringes, 2 and 10 tablets were seized from them. Volunteers of the club said they caught the 2 while they were taking the pills after injecting heroin number 4. Ka Maikai Vehicle Association Kakching has called for an indefinite ban on vehicles on the Indo-Burma road from tomorrow in protest against non-repair of the road. The association said the decision was taken in an emergency meeting held today. Secretary to Chief Minister Ashok Kumar in an office memorandum said all the identity cards issued by the Chief Minister's Secretariat stand cancelled with immediate effect. Holders of the identity card are asked to dem to his office. Fresh identity cards will be issued to the eligible staff shortly. Time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. Oinam Catherine, a class 9 student of Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School, bagged the 23rd Merit Award in the Peace Poster Contest organized by Lions Clubs International at Chicago, USA. Manipur's Oinam Catherine bagged the award in the contest participated by around 60,000 students from 60 countries. The award includes cash prize of $500 and a certificate. The award was handed over by Lions Club International to Lions Club of Imphal, Limarol. The prize was presented to Oinam Catherine by Lions Club of Imphal, Limarol at Manipur Press Club today. Among the Indian participants, Oinam Catherine is the only student to have bagged the award. The Lions Club of Imphal, Limarol congratulated Catherine on bagging the 23rd position in the contest. Kontaujam Kendra for Change, a group on Facebook, flagged off a cycle rally asking for cleaning of the River Maklang. River Maklang also passes through Oinam and Nambol constituency. The cycle rally, which was flagged off from Ngairangbam Ayang Laikai ground and concluded at Nambol. President of Kundrakbam Kendra for Change, K.H. Ibomcha, said the rally was taken out to urge the authority concerned to look into the frequent flash flood in areas near the river due to the raining season.
अखोन गसी सिंजरिबा रेली सिगी पांदमदे अखोय कोनोजम केंद्रदा लैरिबा खुलसिंग असि मरोयना अखोय सिगी नाकंदा लैरिबा मागलांग तुरेल स्वाइदना मागलांग तुरेल हायना खांगनै अदै नम्बोल यौग्रगना अखोयगी नम्बोल तुरेल अदै ओइनाम यौग्रगना यांगोय तुरेल हायना खांगनै सिगी तुरेल सिना अखोयगी नाक येता तारिबा पॉपुलेशन लाख अममु हेनबसे असिगी मति इसिंग चावदुना थुमनदुना मरोयना खाबीदा इसिंग चावग्रबा लोर मतुंगदसु था मखायगुंबसे इसिंग सुंगं कंगदबा अन सासन खंगदे मी खंगदे लंबी थोंग खंगदे मी सिंगसा असिगी मति लैनातिना असिगी मति अवाब लैबा मदुगी पांदमसी मतुंगदि थोन बिगनु इसिंग इसाउ थिंगबियो हायबा खलाउसी कोई केके फोर्स सेजना कोई सिंजबनी.
The Assam Thoubal branch has alleged that midday meal was not provided at some of the lower, upper and elementary schools under ZEO Zone 3 Thoubal. General Secretary of the Assam Thoubal District Council Surjikanta Oinam yesterday told the media that the Assam Thoubal branch during an inspection has found that the midday meal items from January to March were not provided to some schools. He also drew the attention of the Education Minister to the matter. People of Kangabok Part 1 GP Ward Number 6 under Thoubal District held a meeting at Mamanglaika Youth Development Club regarding non-issue of PDS items for 3 months to the beneficiaries and job cards to the owners. The meeting urged authority to distribute the PDS items for 4 months, hand over the passbooks to the job card holders and to repair the drains in the locality. Radio listeners Gelt Manipur, Lamjing Meira Kundung Inba Loop, Lilong Arabti Maning Laika Youth Development Association in collaboration with the Seizure Eye Care Foundation organized a free eye camp at the memorial of Major General Pauna Brajbasi at Lilong Arabti Singai. More than 200 persons attended the free eye camp. Joint Action Committee Against Anti-Tribal Bill will hold a mass mourning and fasting prayer starting from 11 a.m. on April 22nd at Salfa Pumbak in Lamka town to mark the 600th day of their protest against the passing of the 3 anti-tribal bills by the previous Congress government. In a press release, the JAC appealed to the people to participate in the prayer. A car rally asking people to join the Rotary Club was flagged off by IG Virendra Singh today from headquarters IG AR South at Mantripukri. A 4-member team of Indian rovers will cover 20 countries including Myanmar, China, Russia and Denmark in 150 days during the rally named Jaisalmer to Rome. The team left Jaisalmer in Rajasthan for Manipur on the 5th of this month. They will spend the night at Moreh and leave for Myanmar tomorrow. The team consists of a woman and 3 men.
Promote Rajasthan world over through Rotary. and to promote India as well as the tourist destination. We are also attempting a Limca Book and Guinness Book of World Record for maximum road travel without using any ferry or sea. Serving humanity is Rotary's basic fundamental work.
This is one means of taking, wherever you are going, you are taking India along with you. I'm sure you will live up to the Indianness that we are known for. Yes, the dispensation which has come to the state is new. We are all working with a new vigor. Times which are coming, we pray and hope, are the best of the times for the Manipur.
Imphal College Students Eco Club is organizing a painting competition to create awareness about the need to preserve and protect the environment on April 23rd. The competition will be held in 2 categories, from Class 1 to Class 3 and from Class 4 to Class 7. Now to sports news. Neroka Football Club will meet Delhi United FC tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. at Kumanlam Park Main Stadium in the 4th home match of the final round match of 2nd Division Indian League organized by All India Football Federation. Delhi United FC has 6 Manipuri players and 2 foreign players. It may be mentioned that Neroka FC now stands at 2nd position of the final round match with 5 points. Speaking at the press meet at Hotel Grande, head coach of Neroka FC gave a right-hand appeal to the people to come and support the home team, Neroka, at tomorrow's final round match.
Home match right now, Neroka Manipur na Delhi United ga pung ani makai da kick-off tawduri. Hayengi match akoi Neroka Manipur gi damakta yamna crucial match ni. Akoi hayengji kadabi ade kana bai damakta akoi na players sing akoi gi coaching staff management loina ready laire adugo opponent team su yorakre. As a coach amoina responsibility lauraga bhabok mayamda football nungsiba Manipur nungsiba Neroka nungsiba bhabok mayamna hayengse lakpireraga Kumanlam Park sida pungani makhai nungaiba match yengbiu haidana mayamna no lukna haijabani.
A football club for Tengnopal area named Sahai Football Club Tengnopal SFC was formed yesterday. The club was formally formed at a meeting held at the community hall in Tengnopal district headquarters with the objective to promote football and produce good football players from the district. The 33rd State Age Group Aquatic Championship 2017 will be organized by Manipur Swimming Association at Kumanlam Park Swimming Pool from April 21st to 23rd. In IPL cricket, defending champion Sunrisers Hyderabad defeated Delhi Daredevils by 15 runs in Hyderabad last night. Opting to bat, Hyderabad posted 191 for 4 riding on a 136-run second wicket stand between New Zealand's Kane Williamson and opener Shikhar Dhawan. Williamson, playing his first game of the season, made 89 while Dhawan scored 70. In reply, the 192-run target proved a little too much as Delhi could only make 176 in the allotted 20 overs despite a half-century by Shreyas Iyer and impressive batting by Angelo Matthews, Karun Nair and Sanju Samson. Medium pacer Mohammad Siraj bagged the maximum of 2 wickets for Hyderabad. Williamson was named man of the match. Hyderabad are now second in the 18 points table with 4 wins in 6 games, while Delhi is fourth with 2 victories in 5 matches. Kolkata Knight Riders are at the top. Tonight, Kings 11 Punjab will meet Mumbai Indians at Indore. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Union Minister Zawal Oram asks people to write to Centre and Prime Minister if ministers and officials indulge in wrongdoing. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar Zerg's old teaching system should be restored in government schools in Manipur. Three-day awareness workshop on e-waste management stresses need for proper electronic waste management system. And Neroka FC meet Delhi United FC in final round match of 2nd Division Indian League tomorrow.